Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. Today let's make spring roll wrap. So as you can see, we measure 1 cup of flour. Then after measuring the 1 cup of flour, the next thing we are going to go in with is salt. Add the salt and filter it until it is well filtered and nice. Make sure it is well filtered and nice. Then after that, you stir it, the salt and the flour. Make sure they are well combined together. Then the next thing we are going to do is to go in with water step by step until we get to the consistency we are looking for. So add your water step by step until the dough is well nice and okay. You don't want your spring roll dough to overwater. Then this is the consistency we are looking for. Make sure your frying pan is already on the gas. Then you grab some with your hand and make sure that your hand is washed. Scrub it around the pan until it is well covered and nice, just like this. Guys, making your own spring roll wrap is so easy and so nice. If you have not tested spring roll, you are missing, guys. It tastes so amazing, so nice, and so easy to go, so crushing. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to allow the both side to cook. Once you notice bubble is coming out under, you know that the back is ready. What we have to do now is to flip it. Take it out gently and make sure that it is wet. Take out to avoid not to tear while taking it out, guys. So if you are watching my video to this extent, you are watching from my Facebook page, please follow and like. And if you're also watching from my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and also drop your comment in the comment section. Guys, if you notice that your spring roll wrap is ready, take it out and repeat the same process again. So easy and ready to go. So as you can see, we are done by wrapping this one with our frying pan. Then what we have to do is to wait and until it's done, so that we have to flip it. Flip it thoroughly, make sure it is well flipped. As you can see, it was even hot and even burning my hand. That is why you have to be very careful and make sure that your gas is extra low. Then after flipping it, then we take it out so it's ready. Repeat the same process until you are done with it. As you can see, mine is ready. So what we have to do next is to set it and arrange it thoroughly. Then we take out the excess one that is in the corner. So take out the excess one, and this is the consistency we are going for. Guys, our spring roll wrap is ready. So wait for the next video while we make our spring roll. As you can see, our spring roll wrap is ready. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to go and try your own spring roll wrap. So easy and it's so good to eat. Remember, bless and stay tuned. Bye.